Naririnig nyo na po, di ba, yung concern ng maraming Pilipino na mahirap pasukin yung negosyo nito kasi wala naman talagang buyers. I would like to confirm some of your suspicions kasi this is an export business. Wala talagang buyers dito sa Pilipinas. You have to export the agarwood kasi yung buyers po natin mostly nasa Middle East, China, Korea, Europe. That's where the buyers are. So dahil export business po ito, kailangan nating mag-comply sa export permits and licenses. Yung mga puno po natin, kailangan po nating nakarehistro. Ito, tinutulungan po namin yung mga partners namin. And I would like to assure everybody, this process is easy. Madali lang po siyang makuha. In fact, a lot of our partners, kumpleto na po yung mga papeles nila, ready na po sila for export. That's why we're gearing towards that direction. So hindi po siya mahirap. Kayang-kaya po namin kayong tulungan, and yung DNR po, yung ibang regulatory agencies, handang-handa po silang tumulong sa atin. We are very thankful sa ginagawa nila para sa atin.